New Excel format in operation list. In ZW3D 2021, operation list function has been remarkably upgraded. It can be exported to Excel with customizable template, where the coordinate system can be specified. You can access the CAM templates for operation list in the installation directory. There are Excel and HTML templates. All keywords are in this text folder, and you can customize the template based on these keywords. In the 2021 version, some keywords have been added, such as machine name, different types of view, and so on. Then, open the Excel template. And you can change the company name and other information. Here you can change the view, save it. Back to the software. Here are some completed toolpaths. And now we can output the operation list by selecting the operation list setting in the right-click menu of the output node in the History Manager. Then, select the Excel template. Finally, insert NC, add operations, and output the operation list. As you can see, the output list is generated based on the customized template. What's more, we can specify the output of the coordinate system. First, hide the default coordinates. Then, choose the needed frame to activate it. After that, select operations and output the operation list. You can see that the output operation list contains the specified coordinate system. These are key improvements for the operation list in ZW3D 2021.